channel. I am Saiasmi Gupta, and today we are gonna create another very nice game. So today we are gonna create Guess the Hand game. So do you know how do we play this game? What is this game? No? Don't worry, I'm here to tell you. So basically, you have a coin. Like if you're gonna, it is that you put a coin in your hand, okay, and just like put it on in whichever hand you want to put, and then you ask the other player, which hand do you think is the coin? If he picks this and it is not there, so it's wrong. But if it's picks here, and the coin is over here, then they win, right? So as we play this game, like in physically, we are gonna play it with the computer. If you like don't have a like you have a brother or sister but they don't live with you, right? They are like your cousin brother sister. So this game will be very useful as you can play with the computer. So without any delay, let's get started. Yeah. Oops. Wait, let me tell you about Tennis for the Kids. So Tennis for the Kids is my company and I am the co-founder of it, and I am 10 years old. So now I think we are ready. Okay, so let's get started. Dab! So let me minimize the screen. Okay. Now here. Okay. So so this is the code. A very small mini code, right? Very easy to create. So over here, let me just play it with the computer and show you what are we going to create. And of course it won't reload. Just give me a second. It always takes so much time to load only. Seriously, I'm not happy about that. Right, so if I keep this here. Okay, so I'll run the code. So we get an input. Guess in which hand is the coin, left or right? So if I'm a righty, I think I should pick the left one. Correct! You have chosen the correct hand. I think we are gonna go with the left power again. Oops, I wrote leftward, so that's wrong. So left. Wrong! Oh god. I think it's trying to trick us. Let's give here left again. Oh my god. Okay, let's just go with right. Wrong! Oh my god, this is so funny. Oops, I just wrote it wrong. Wrong. I want at least one to get correct and keep on trying right so that it comes correct at a point. Yes! Finally! So you must have understood we are using an input and of course the random. So let's just jump right into the code. Okay, so first maybe I should do this a bit bigger for you. As the code is very small, maybe I keep myself here and do it more bigger, and keep it here and do more bigger. No, yeah, that's good. So first, of course, we are gonna import random, okay, because we want the computer to choose that it chooses left or right, and then the user chooses left or right, and then we have to compute them, right? So that's why we are going to use random. Now we are making our own function hands, And what we are doing is we are making a variable user and doing input. Guess in which hand is the coin, left or right? Okay. So whatever the you are gonna give will be left or right will be saved in user. Then we are making a variable computer random.choice left or right because we want the computer also to choose randomly left or right so that we can compare the both answers and get the game, right? So in computer variable left or right will be saved. Okay. Now, then we are doing if user is equals to left and computer is equals to left. Like normally we don't give these brackets, but it's gonna work as we are using two conditions right here. In one if statement we are putting two conditions instead of making two if statements, so it's not gonna get an error. Okay, so if user is equals to left, basically if the user ve gave left and the computer also gave left, okay, or it is that user v gave right and the computer gave right. So in these both conditions, the user and the computer are getting the same thing, right? Right and right, left and left. So we want that only. If you pick the correct one, then you like one, right? So if this statement is true, okay, then it's gonna print correct. You have chosen the correct hand. But if, like for example, the user chose left, but the computer chose right, or the user chose left, I mean, and right, and the computer chose left. So at those situations, this if statement won't be correct, right? So it's gonna print, it will go in the else statement and print wrong. So in the our hand function, basically now we have done all the code part. We have got we have got the input, we have got the random left or right, then we are comparing them. So then we just need to do one thing, which is to call the function. So we are just gonna call the function and voila, our game is done. I can't believe it. This was too quick. This must be the most smallest video till now of mine. So now if I blah, 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 so it's gonna print wrong. It's not accepted, right? Now if I give left, then again it will check and do everything, right? So now let me just give you once again a very small thing. First we are importing random, then we are making our own function hand, and then we are taking an input. Then we are asking that the computer should choose left or right so that we can compare. Then we are using an if statement that if user has picked left and the computer has also picked left, or if the user has picked right and the computer has picked right, so it prints correct. You have chosen the correct hand. But if the person gives anything else, so also it will print wrong. And if this if statement is not correct, then also it will go in the else statement and print wrong, and then we just call the function. So yes, we are done, guys, and let me just play this. Left, wrong, right, correct, right, correct, right, wrong, left, correct. So right, this is such a fun game to play, guys. And we are done. So I really hope you liked the video. If you did, Don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you've not done yet. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you liked my channel a lot and you have learned how to create your own guest game, so that if you are bored and you have nobody for a company, you can play with the computer as your company. So thank you guys, bye. I have the company. 10x for the kids. Just kidding. And one day, if you continue learning with me, one day you will also be a 10x coder. So thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Dad, 3, 2, 1, and snap.